Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. This is Design with Lacey. In this video, like I promised in the previous video on how to upload YouTube thumbnail to your video using your mobile phone. So in this video now, I'm going to explain how to do this in the mobile YouTube Studio app. So pay attention to this video. If you want to know how to create YouTube thumbnail using your mobile phone, also I'll link down in the description of this video a video that will teach you how to do that using your mobile phone. So you can go to the description of this video, or it's going to show up here on the screen now, or the video that will teach you how to create YouTube thumbnail using your mobile phone for free. So now let's dive into what we have to talk about in this video. So remember, I'm going to show you how to upload your YouTube thumbnail to your video. So simply to do that, this is what you have to do. So at the bottom here, you can see we have different options here. So the first option here is your dashboard. The second option is your content. The third option here is your analytics. Then the fourth here is the comment, while the last option here is the end button. That's for those that YouTube have accepted into their YouTube partnership program. You will have the last button here as end. Okay, all right. So now to upload this YouTube thumbnail to your video, this is what you have to do. Tap on content. So if I should tap on content now, it will give me access to all my videos. Okay, all my content, all my videos that I've uploaded to my channel. Okay, all right. So I will choose the video I want to change. Let's say I want to change thumbnail on, or I want to add thumbnail to. So let's make use of this first video as an example. Okay, so to do that, tap on the video you want to add the thumbnail to, or you want to change thumbnail on. Okay, so this is what we will be having here. Okay, so to change this thumbnail, you are going to tap on this edit icon. There's an edit icon here. This is the edit icon. So you are going to tap on this edit icon, and it's going to bring up something like this. Okay, it's going to bring up something like this. So in this place, this is what you are going to do. There's going to be another edit icon above the thumbnail that was there, or the thumbnail that YouTube gave you. Okay, it's going to give you this option. So tap on that edit icon again. So you are going to tap on this edit icon again. When you do that, you are going to have access to something like this. So this is the maybe if you uploaded your video without adding without adding the thumbnail, the YouTube is going to give you a default thumbnail from your video. Okay, it's going to appear here. So this is how you change it. So let's go down here. So at the bottom here, we have something here. We have the change thumbnail. Okay, to change your thumbnail, then we can also pick a particular part of our video to use as the thumbnail, but that is not advisable. It's advisable you use a specific thumbnail. So to do that, tap on the change thumbnail. So if I should tap on this change thumbnail, it's going to prompt me something like this, taking me to my phone gallery. So when I go to my phone gallery, what I'm going to do is just to pick up a thumbnail that I want to make use of. So by now I should be done designing my thumbnail. So you are going to pick up the thumbnail you want to make use of. So do not forget, I have a video on how to create free thumbnail using your mobile phone. So you can go now, watch that video and create your thumbnail, then upload that to your YouTube video after watching this video. So select the thumbnail you want to use. For me now, I'm not going to add any thumbnail because I already have a thumbnail on my video. So I'm going to go back, but this is how you apply the thumbnail. So when you're done, you are just going to tap on the done button at the top right corner of your screen here. So you tap on the done button, and the thumbnail will appear above here, just like this. So when you're done, you are going to tap on the save icon, guys. So tap on the save icon, and your thumbnail will be applied to your video. So this is how you upload thumbnail, or you change thumbnail on your video using the mobile YouTube Studio app. So guys, do not forget, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video just like this. So guys, if you have any question, If you have anything you want me to talk about, you can comment it down in below this video and I'll attend to that. So guys, I'll see you in my next video.